In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link my Xbox GTA account to PC. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Linking your Xbox GTA account to PC is very simple. It is a process that you are going to be able to do not inside of the game, but on the Rockstar Games website instead. So through a web browser on your computer or your phone, visit rockstargames.com. When you arrive at this page, you will be able to sign into the Rockstar Games account that you use to play GTA. So make sure that you are signed into the proper account in the top right corner of the screen, and when you click your icon, you will be able to access this drop-down menu here. In this drop-down menu, go over to the settings, and now you can switch over to linked accounts. This is where you are going to be able to manage all of the account connections made to the same Rockstar account. You will notice that you can link multiple accounts such as Xbox, PlayStation, Google, Twitch, and Amazon. Keep in mind, however, that I cannot guarantee that this means that your progress from GTA on Xbox will be transferred over when you play GTA on PC. It seems like the main option or main function that this unlocks is the ability to use stat tracking tools across all platforms for Rockstar Games. As you can see, linking a gaming account allows you to display your game data on Rockstar Games, stat tracking tools, and profile widgets. Linking a social networking account allows you to easily share Rockstar Games contents to your networks. So while it is possible to link your Xbox gamer tag through this page, I cannot guarantee that this is going to affect the actual progress, crossplay, or cross-progression regarding GTA 5. So just keep that in mind. I hope I was able to help you on how to link my Xbox GTA account to PC. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.